don't enjoy the spotlight, but I do like to be in control. I ultimately have good intentions, but I can be manipulative and maybe even play a little bit of a bull. Oh, okay. Okay, so you're gonna need the usual liquid latex, aluminum, flour, cotton pads, a mixing spoon and a cup, and a face cast to work with, but that's optional. To start off, you want to build your shapes with the aluminum foil and put them aside. To create the latex paste, just slowly mix the flour into the latex until you get like a thick paste, kind of like a really rich pudding or semi-liquidy oatmeal, but not too runny. Use the paste like a glue to keep the foil in place, and you can kind of mold the rest of it around the foil and cover it and create whatever look you're trying to create. The cotton adds stability, it fills in gaps, and it helps to secure the prosthetic to your face, so you will see me using the cotton pads in both ways in the creation and also application. So all you have to do is just trim and fit it and cover it with your latex paste. Once you get the shape you want, smooth it out with just regular plain latex. You can allow it to dry a little bit if you want to create more details or add texture or anything to it. And let it dry overnight. You can carefully remove it after you dust it with a little bit of flour or baby powder so it doesn't stick to itself if it isn't completely dry. And I also made sure I dusted the inside of it as well. As far as the makeup application goes, you know the deal. I really don't feel like talking through it. It's just kind of, you follow what you see. So yeah, with that being said, I'll leave you to watch the rest of this. Have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies next time. Okay, I lied. I forgot about the bow completely. All you need for that is a sheet of felt, ribbon to match, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Cut the size rectangle that you want from your felt. I just cut 1/4 out of the sheet, and you just fold it like a paper fan and hot glue the center. Make sure you just hot glue each side and seal it all together in the center. To cover up the glue marks, just wrap your matching ribbon around the center and glue that, and that's pretty much it. I ended up adding a ribbon to it afterwards because I didn't realize I didn't have a button up to attach it to, and I can't pin it on my neck, so I needed something to attach it to my neck, so I glued the ribbon so I can tie it, and that's it. So now you can enjoy, and I'll see you next time.